Please follow all instructions. If you have any further questions or need additional support, please contact a Pitbull representative at 832-515-8385. You'll need the following tools to correctly remove and replace your damaged T-bolt. Don't forget to use all necessary personal protection equipment during the replacement process. To begin, remove cover from the channel up to replacement point. Here is an example of a damaged T-bolt. With bolt cutters, cut the T-bolt closest to the loop and remove it. Insert new T-bolt into loop and through the seared hole. Place provided washer and place the rounded end towards the cover and tighten with a lock nut to desired tension. Cut off any excess T-bolt with bolt cutters and replicate process on any other damaged T-bolts. Slide cover back into the channel and ensure it is in lock position. Inspect mobility. Add grease if needed. Your T-bolt replacement is now complete. If you have any questions, please call a representative today.